Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19 and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down or pull up, I guess, your toggle tray, which you do so by just swiping up from the bottom left corner of your screen like so. And somewhere between those toggles you should have your power saving mode. For me it is the literal last one right over here, low power mode. But if you don't see the toggle anywhere here, you can click on these three dots and this will allow you to add ones that aren't visible. So for instance, we have super saver. This is basically a more extensive power saving mode, and I can just drag it here, drop it, though it gets replaced, so the low power mode just kind of gets yanked out of there as a last one. So you know what, I'm gonna get rid of the location ones, and this will apparently automatically drop the other one in here. So it looks like this panel has a set amount of toggles that will be always in here. Anyway, from here we're gonna click on done. Let's get back to the panel, and again we're gonna scroll down and we have the super saver and we have the low power mode. I'm gonna start off with the low power mode, and as you can see it lowers down your phone's brightness to preserve a little bit of battery. It turns the outline of the battery right here like this reddish orangish color. Let's see, can still bring up the brightness. So yeah, there we go, that's the normal power saving mode. But if you wanted to use the other one, you can select that one instead. It gives us a info that tips only contacts, phones, messages and alarm will be enabled in super power saving mode. This mode will automatically turn off when the phone is charged to 60%. Now we can check the box to never show this again. And there we go, that's the super power saving mode. As you can see, it is very limiting. It removes most of the functionality of the device. So it is recommended to use this only in some circumstances where you really need the battery and you don't have any way to actually charge it. Anyway, I'm gonna quit it from here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.